Too many plugins open in FL Studio. Let's tidy up our workspace fast. In FL Studio, it's super easy to narrate and close all plugins. Now first off, if your FL Studio looks like this and all plugins are scattered, just go in View and then select Close All Plugin Windows. And that's it. All your plugins has been closed, as easy as that. There is also another way to do it. Instead of going to View and closing all plugin windows, you can just simply press Alt plus F12. It's an easy shortcut to close all the window at the same time. Just press Alt plus F12 and all of your plugins has been closed. It's as simple as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.